Hello everyone. I'm sure you are wondering why the products you're using isn't working for you, or you are not seeing any visible results. And that's probably because you're using the wrong product for your skin type. Yes, so that tells you the importance of knowing your skin. In this video, I will outline and explain major skin types and how to quickly identify yours. So the question is, what is your skin type? There are 5 types of skin, and it is very important to know the type of your skin. If you know your skin type, you will choose the right product and preserve your skin for longer duration of time, and you can slow down the process of aging. So what are those types? These are 5 types of skin: normal skin, oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, sensitive skin. Normal skin. Normal skin refers to a well-balanced skin. The T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin may be a bit oily, but overall sebum production and moisture is balanced, and the skin is neither too dry nor too oily. How to identify a normal skin? It is very clean and clear, no spots, and it's not greasy. It has fine pores with good blood circulation, no discoloration, no blemishes, a velvety, soft, and smooth texture. It is not prone to skin sensitivity. Dry skin. If your skin feels a bit flaky and rough, then you have a dry skin. Dry skin lacks moisture and lipids. It is therefore less elastic. It is tight and in many cases tends to itch. Dry skin is a result of lack of oil production. It reacts to environmental influences and becomes irritated. With special care and specific cream, you can restore its moisture and strengthen your skin's protective barriers. It is best that you get the products that are extra moisturizing. How to identify dry skin? It is quite pale in color, can look flaky in places, feels uneven in texture, can present with fine lines around eyes and cheeks. Now we will discuss sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, you should be aware of wide variety of emotional and environmental factors that can affect it. From a change of weather to household pets, stress, and even dust. Sensitive skin is caused by nerve endings in the top layer of your skin becoming irritated. This occurs because your skin's natural barrier function is weakened and has broken down due to triggers. Most commonly, the facial skin is involved. How to identify a sensitive skin? Sensitive skin is sometimes sore or sensitive to touch. It flushes easily after a spicy meal or drinking alcohol. It has patches of redness that may or may not fade. It has areas of uneven texture with dryness and flakiness. It reacts to skincare very easily. It becomes itchy or develops a rash after contact with irritants, turns red and dries out after a hot shower or vigorous workout. Becomes irritable after continued washing with hard water. Oily skin. Oily skin is a result of sebaceous glands overproduction of oil, that is sebum, due to genetic makeup. Other causes can include hormones, humid climates, or overdrying your skin, which forces it to produce more oil. When your skin is shiny, or you notice a lot of excess oil on your face, neck, shoulders, and back, then you should know that you have oily skin. How to identify oily skin? It appears shiny with large or open pores. It is prone to acne and can present with blackheads or whiteheads. In the last, we will discuss combination skin. As the name implies, combination skin is the combination of both oily and dry skin. Combination skin is rather dry in some parts and oily in other localizations. So what happens is that your T-zone, that is forehead, nose and chin, is oily, while your cheeks and other areas around the eyes are dry. Combination skin can be a bit tricky to handle because you have to deal with both skin types. Mixed facial skin, that is the dry part, and the oily parts require different skincare regimes. This skin type is very common. Hopefully, this can help you identify your skin type and help you pick the right products. In further videos, I will explain each skin type separately in detail and how to take care of each type. If you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay alert. Keep watching Skin Doctor for you.